Hey, my name is David Rodriguez. I am a sample preparation technician at Australian Laboratory Services in Adelaide, South Australia. Before landing my current position with GraduateHero's help, I would often find myself feeling upset that employers couldn't see my value and not sure what to do next. Looking back, I think the main challenges that were stopping me from launching my graduate career were the lacking of strategy for looking for my dream job and believing that my experience was not valuable enough to any employer. Using the graduate fast track system, I was able to build a list of around 30 local employers in the chemical industry and reach out to them via LinkedIn and email. Some of them never responded, others just said they weren't looking for someone right now, and two of them responded. One of those said that they were looking for someone, but I had to do the application online through their website, and other one just said that she knew in the company they were looking for someone. So if I was happy to share my CV, she could send her to the director of the company. So from there, just I was able to land an interview and they offered me the position. I can still remember how it felt when they offered me the position. I was so excited and I couldn't believe it. I just told my partner and we were so happy that I was finally able to get a job in my field. Um, I am also so grateful to have met Graduate Hero. I'm proud of myself for finally getting a job and being able to succeed in this process. Graduate Hero and working with Jack has been one of the best experiences I've ever had. Jack has given me the confidence to continue to grow and develop my career and even start working towards my next goal eh, on finding a different job in my field. And actually, Jack is one of the best in this field. He's very supportive. He's a great coach. He gives you all the tools that you need to find your next job and to develop your career. For any students or graduates that are facing challenges with breaking into their field or are facing constant rejections or experiencing lack of confidence, I cannot recommend Jack and the team at Graduate Hero more highly. And to Jack, Jack, I appreciate you so much, and I just want to thank you for everything you've done for me and for my partner, and wishing you all the best with your future business. And I know we are going to keep in touch. So, bye for now. Thank you so much.